Everyone, this is Mike from Mike Gets. Today here in Texas, a nice sunny day. So we're gonna be doing unboxing in the backyard because my house is freaking loud. Everybody is making noise. Why? Okay, that's why I got these Razer headphones. So make sure that to eliminate that noise by using these noise cancelling headphones. So I already have one at home, which is Sony 1000 XM3. I don't know why they couldn't make an easy name so that you can remember that. 1000 XM3. Really, Sony? Please make it easier next time. All right, so I like the Razer naming is really good. Razer Opus and so easy, right? So midnight blue color I got from Amazon and they delivered within the 2 business days. So really appreciate Amazon for doing that in this pandemic situation. And really appreciate those people who are delivering these devices out there and making sure that people are getting their orders fulfilled. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and support me for making these videos. And if you're coming back to my channel again, welcome back. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the unboxing for this one in the Texas heat. Today is 90 degrees Fahrenheit here, and I'm gonna be literally sweaty when I'm making this unboxing video. Well, before any delay, let's just get into it and see what's in there. So you can see on the box that it says on the right top corner, it's THX certified. So THX certification means that it is THX certified and it goes through those processes which are for high performance, good quality audio. And the fun fact is that Razer owns the THX. So having that certification is like your mom is saying, hey, my son is really good son, you know? You know what you are. All right, so I'm just saying that the company owns the THX, you know, so they can make that certification. Doesn't mean that they just exploit that benefit and they just say that, oh, this is our company, so we're just gonna certify it. It actually goes through the process which makes sure that it is THX sound capable device. So there is good hardware in there. I don't know, I might break it or see inside what's inside, but right now let's just do the unboxing and see what's there. It comes with 2 years warranty. So you can ship it back to Razer and be like, hey, this is not working, fix it for us within 2 years, right? So make sure you register your warranty. This one is capable of doing AAC for Apple devices and aptX for Android. It doesn't have LDAC kind of feature like what Sony has. So I'm gonna butcher this box and see what is inside. I'm not really good with handling knife because I think I'm not a murderer. I wish I was one. No, I don't want to wish for that either. But you know, just bear with me. See my noob hands there? What am I doing? Come on, cut it, rip it. Sorry. You know, I'm really bad at like using knife, right? Okay, comment below like if you're really good at using knife. See, I should not do unboxing. What do you guys think about it, right? No, I should not, right? Okay, let me fast forward this. Alright guys, so here we have this matte finish box which has a nice Razer font on it, and if you touch it, it has a good feel of it, you know, so that it's just kind of like embossed on it. And it has the midnight blue sticker on it, which is actually a sticker. All right, so when you open the box, all right, what's that on the left side? Okay, so that's the love letter from the co-founder and CEO and the creative director. Man, this guy holds 3 positions. I barely have one. Okay, that's cool. All right, so he says that he made this Razer Opus so you can enjoy superior quality sound from a wireless headset on the move. So this is what they made for on the go, for traveling purpose and all that. So it's not a gaming headphone. This is nice little booklet inside. This pouch has I opened it already, so I'm doing voiceover, so no surprise. I know what's in there. It's no magic at all. Okay, so there's nice looking forget the noise. That's what their branding is telling us, that forget the noise. So it's totally noise cancelling headphones. And then there is this book. I barely read the school book, so I don't think so I'll read this through. Oh, actually I should. Well, there's a nice Razer sticker. You can put that, I don't know, I might get it tattooed on my body. Well, I'll throw it away right now. Alright, so here's the main deal. It's the nice looking matte finish carrying case, which has really a good feel to hands. So it's kind of sturdy, so I think if I drop it from like a 10th floor, it should still be fine, but I should not actually throw it from a 10th floor. Okay, so it's a really nice case, so if you want to take it on the go, if you are traveling, this is a nice buddy to have with you, and it's gonna actually have a nice feel to it. I actually start to hate my Sony one now. Well, zipper is smooth and it is good, and inside we have the nice midnight blue color. I think I'll prefer midnight blue color over the regular classic black color that they have. It's not really blue, it's kind of like that Note 10 Plus blue color. So the good thing is that I use Note 10 Plus, which is in the midnight blue. So this kind of complement my headphone. It has a nice flex here, so if you have a big head, I think it should be fine. And it has a nice stretch on the side, and you can see the Razer logo here, and then we have the THX certification. So this is what we have on the left and right side. So there's not a lot going on in terms of, like, you know how usually Razer devices have that Razer logo, a big one, a green one. So this one actually differentiates it from their gaming headset and gaming devices, because this is literally not a gaming headphone at all. It is just for your travel companion, and you can do mobile gaming on it if you use your headphones with the cell phone devices. It has a nice cushion at the top, so your head feels relaxed, rather, you know, sometimes it's really hard and it just gives you bruises on your head. So I think this is good. It has nice soft air cushions and a nice feel to it if you're wearing it. There is the ANC noise cancelling button, and you got the power button here, and a 3.5 millimeter jack there if you want to connect it to PC, or you want to connect it to you don't want to connect it to Bluetooth audio, you can connect it via wire, and the nice Type-C connector for the charging purpose. So overall, the finish, I'm really impressed by the finish. This looks literally a high quality headphone, and it comes with a couple of goodies that you will like, because these are kind of essential for traveling. So the cable that it comes with is Type-C to Type-C. So that's why they included a Type-C to Type-A connector, so that I am so bad at doing these reviews. Literally, that fell down, right? Did you see that? Well, apologize for that. All right, so I picked that up again, and now you can see that it's Type-C to Type-A connector. So if you have those power breaks which do not have Type-C to Type-C, you can use this. So it's a really nice thing to have. And I remember what I have for Sony 1000 XM3. That headphone comes with Type-A to Type-C, so it's not Type-C to Type-C. So charging will be faster if you're using the Type-C to Type-C. It should take no more than 4 hours. That's advertised. So in 4 hours you get the full charge, which is incredible. So with that is with the Type-C to Type-C. I'll have to see how much time it's going to take if you connect it with the Type-C to Type-A conversion. I'm sure the charging speed going to be slower, because Type-C to Type-C is faster than any other type there. So that's that, and it's really nice to have when you're traveling and you have less options, and maybe you don't have that plug working, so you can, you know, plug that Type-C to Type-A and plug that in your headphones and start charging. So okay, now we have here is 3.5 mm cable, which you can connect using your PC, your devices which are not Bluetooth capable, or maybe you don't want to use the Bluetooth. But keep that in mind, that if you're not connected through Bluetooth, you're not going to have that active noise cancellation enabled. That's also with the Sony headphones. I've experienced that if you connect with the 3.5 mm jack to your PC, you don't have that noise cancelling feature activated. So this is the drawback of using the 3.5 mm cable. All right, this is what I love. This the plug for the airplane devices, two prong, the 3.5 mm devices, which you usually use when you're flying. So it's pain in the butt. Sometimes you get those nasty headphones from airline, and you don't want to use that. So this is a good companion. This little buddy will help you out there. And I appreciate that every company includes that. Otherwise you have to go and buy it from, you know, the eBay or Amazon. So it's really a good thing to have. Now I'm trying to make sure everything is there so I can show you what was inside the box. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope that you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe my channel, and I'll be doing some other videos about the comparison between this Razer Opus versus the Sony XM1000. I still said their name wrong, because Sony has to come up with an easier name. 1000 XM3. Holy crap. Tell me if you like this, the way Sony names the headphone, like X1000 MX3, 1000 FMXM. Alright, well, I think before I go crazy, that's about it from this video, guys. Really appreciate you guys liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. We hit 5,000 subscribers really fast, and I'm sure the next 6,000 is coming up quick because of your help. Be safe out there, stay home, and make sure you stay safe, and remember everyone in your prayers. Until then, take care, goodbye.